हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टेनो जोन। आज हम करेंगे एक इंग्लिश शॉर्ट हैंड डिक्टेशन जो एक जनरल मैटर होगा। इसकी स्पीड रहेगी अराउंड 80 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। ये जो डिक्टेशन होगी वो आपके एसएससी और ईएफपीओ के स्किल टेस्ट के लिए हेल्पफुल होगी। तो आइए डिक्टेशन शुरू करते हैं।
3, 2, 1, start. As far as agricultural income tax or its inclusion along with other incomes for purposes of income tax is concerned, it is a very good thing. Stop. I agree because businessmen were funneling lots of black money into agriculture and ultimately converting it into white money. Stop. But at the same time, there are others who are not businessmen or who are not falling in this category. Stop. For example, there may be a man in service and he may also be doing agriculture. Stop. So, if agricultural income is to be clubbed, it should be only in the case of businessmen and industrialists and not for servicemen or anybody else, because otherwise the incentive will be lost. Stop. I think instead of taxing them, the government should make them completely tax free and they should give concessions. Stop. Only then we can improve. Stop. Otherwise, it will be very difficult and all the time foreign experts will be coming from various countries and these white skinned people will cook their own goose and do nothing else and will keep on starving and keep on importing from the various countries. Stop. Recently, there was unemployment in the rural sector in America and they requested us to buy 4 million tons of wheat. Stop. They gave us credit for that. Stop. So it is we who are missing from our side. They will never miss it. Stop. Para. Sir, as we see in the industry, in agriculture also, there is a regional disparity in the development of agriculture. Stop. If we divide the country into 3 or 4 zones in the agricultural field in this country, we find a great disparity. Stop. In Punjab, the yield per acre is more than the yield per acre even in the USA, because in Punjab 80% of the land comes under the irrigated area, whereas if we look at Madhya Pradesh, which has a very big area under cultivation, the irrigated land is only 8% and therefore the yield per acre is also very low. Stop. Formerly, as young students of geography, we know only about white zones, rice zones, cotton zones, but I feel that under the irrigated areas, even wheat zones can be brought under rice zones. Stop. Therefore, I would like to appeal to the Honorable Minister for Agriculture that in all these areas, forest areas, tribal belt areas or hilly areas where no survey has so far been conducted, a survey should be undertaken immediately and the land should be brought under some system, of course, without affecting the tribal interests. Stop. There are other associated problems where there is zooming cultivation. Stop. Because of this shifting system of cultivation, most of the forest wealth had been destroyed and had been reduced to ashes. Stop. Therefore, the main task is to see that this system of zooming is done away with immediately. Stop. This will have a very good impact, particularly in the hill areas. Stop. Para. Sir, as we know, in the country there are two types of rivers, snow fed rivers and rain fed rivers. Stop.
तो ये थी एक जनरल मैटर की डिक्टेशन। इस डिक्टेशन से रिलेटेड जो भी आपकी क्वेरीज हो वो आप मेरे से कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं। यदि आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।